the first video I didn't mention my name. Hi, my name is Renars. I'm from Latvia. And I really enjoy nature. Yeah, the Baltic Sea was amazing. I walked like six kilometers along the shore. Really peaceful and relaxing, and at the same time charged me up. Met some people. This time I'm taking you to another place. This place is much closer to where I'm living, and this is too a special place for me. I like to come here and listen to myself. So what this channel is all about, these are the first steps for me here, and like the first steps, I really don't know where this is going, but in life it's, if you see the step in front of you, you just take that step. So I was feeling inside of me that I need to share myself in this platform, YouTube. So I do just that. And do you want to see where I'm at? Where I'm am. Yeah, my English is not perfect, but it's good enough. Okay, enough with these. This place is called Krievkalni. In English it would be Russian Hills. I don't know why this place is called like that, but it doesn't matter. Not like I don't like Russians or something. There is an idiot in every country, every nation. I don't know. You understand me? Yeah. Okay. Let's see the view, right? Yes, this is the view. Okay, it's not. That's the side where the forest is chopped down. But this is the side. Oh yeah. This is the side I like. Look at this beauty. And the peace here. Oh man. A little bit dark. So yeah, one of my favorite places, Krievkalni. If you want to come to Latvia and you need a place to go in nature, this is one of them. It's located in Saldus. It's a city. No, it's in Dobele, I think. Yeah, the municipality, how you call it in English, is Dobele. And yeah, if you just type in Krievkalni, you will find it. You need to walk like 1 kilometer but it's worth the walk because look at this beauty. And if you like picnicking, like making a fire, going to a balcony, and just taking your time here, and it's the place for you. Really, really beautiful and peaceful. So yeah, the first videos will be short because I don't know, maybe they will be longer after a while, but I need to make myself to feel comfortable with this kind of thing in my life. I was in a healing period, taking my energies back. Talking about me, I'm not a regular type of person. I have a gifted soul, and it has pushed me to the limits, really. And I have seen, done, and felt things that are out of this world, and that's why I really want to share with you this experience. And like I said, it will be like step by step. I need to understand what I want to share. Yeah, that's important. I just can't throw all what I know on you, because it's not healthy for me, and it wouldn't be healthy for you. Because there is a lot of cosmos inside of my brain. But yeah, if you open this video and you're still watching and listening to me, then I can surely say you that you are being healed. That's how special my soul is. Just being near me, people get better. And that was a long way to go for me, because I didn't know how to share myself with people, talking about my gifts, my healing gifts. And in the not I will not say in the end, because you learn all your life, and you have to be open to learn new stuff. And every day now I think I know a lot, but there is always something new coming. There is always new experiences, new people to meet, new things to learn, and new feelings and energies to embrace. I don't know. Go through. What I can say to people who are watching and only starting to feel that they are a little bit different from other people, just go slow and take your time. Don't throw yourself in the wild, especially. And I'm not talking this wild. This wild is not hurting at all. This wild is always helping, curing, and bringing you peace. I'm talking about the wild with two legs. Because people nowadays are full of garbage. Oof, man, I don't know where to start and where to end with negativity. But it's all in a change, in process of change, because Mother Earth has had enough. Oh, so much, and she is taking things to another level and really clearing the energies. And we are an extension of this blue sphere, Earth, like the trees, like the flowers that grow on grass, everything. Everything that is physical on this world is an extension of this world. And there was a saying, Indian saying, then I don't remember exactly, but yeah, I don't remember it at all. But the idea was that this body belongs to this earth, and if you're struggling like things with money, relationship, or things like that, you have to touch the ground, because it's the grounding energy that you need, and that energy helps to clear out the unnecessary things inside of people that are blocking money flow, good relationship, uh, everything that is physical somehow, some kind of way. So yeah, nature brings it back, and Mother Earth brings it back, and a lot of things Mother Earth brings it back, if a person likes to listen with your body, because body is a very smart machine. It's a machine. It's like a car, and your soul is driving it. It's a house for the soul. Doesn't mean the soul is always inside. Soul can go outside. The soul can interact with a lot of things. And my soul is doing exactly that. And I feel a lot. Sorry for the information, like some things from this, some things from that. Like I said, these are my first steps. But yeah, I will make like a theme, like a video for, I don't know how to deal with this or deal with that, but now it's like I'm just gonna be comfy where I'm at and talk about things that come to my mind. So yeah, hope you're enjoying this video, and yeah, I will take you to my favorite places. I try to do it on every Sunday or every week, but let's see how it goes. Not always I wanna talk, not always I wanna make a video, because there is still a lot going on inside of me, my inner world, clearing stuff. But yeah, if you're on started a spiritual journey, take everything slowly, because there are energies around and inside of you that not always are good for you. They can tell you things, throw ideas in your mind that are acting against you, not helping. And for to clear your mind and see the path that you need to go, the best thing to do is go outside in nature alone, because every mind, every person that is sitting like 1 meter away from you or just being there is interrupting your energy field, is in your energy field. And that's, if you're wanting to change something in your life, it's not the way to go. You have to be completely alone, you have to be comfy with yourself, and you need to listen, calm the mind. How can you calm the mind? You can breathe. And you can think at that moment only about the breath that you take in and the air you take in and blow out. Think about that, only that. That's the one of the ways how to clear and silence your mind. Breathing. It's not a thing that people are teaching in schools, and that's not good. But it's an opportunity for me. Because breathing is very important. It's energy of life, I can say. Because without breathing you're dead as a body. So yeah, and breathing is not only that. Breathing can help a lot of things, stresses and worries and fear and all kind of things. If you learn how to breathe in stressful situations and situations where your mind is like, if you thought how to yourself how to breathe and how to work with the breath, then you can do a lot of things with yourself to calm yourself down. Sometimes I need one breath, just one breath, and I go peaceful. I go on a journey of peace inside of me. Not always it works. There are situations and people that get really on my nerves, and even then you have to take a step back, think about it, and then you can make a step forward. Because it's not always nice to argue, it's not always nice to yell or things like that. And I am a really peaceful person, and now if people want to poke me, want to annoy me, most of the time I just turn my back and go, because that's the best way to deal with people who want to steal other people's energies. Vampires, demons, call them how you want it. But yeah, there are that kind of people who don't how to make their own good energy. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, they feed on other people. And yeah, there are, if you like to protect yourself, these kind of things. And they are these kind of things. They are available on around the world. So protection in your mind. What else can I say? Yeah, if you need help, don't put yourself in a corner, because if you put yourself in a cocoon, maybe sometimes you need it, but don't like put yourself in a cocoon in your mind that nobody can help you. You have to be open to people for you to get help, because if your mind is blocked, if you say to yourself that you can't be helped, then it's for other things too. For example, if you want to ride a bicycle, learn how to ride a bicycle, and you say to yourself, I will never learn how to ride a bicycle, that's the mind that sets you. The mind is a very powerful tool, and if you tap into your mind and know how to use it and say positive things to you, it will not change like this. It will change over time. Consistency. You have to do it again and again and again, like you did those bad things, bad thoughts to yourself. Because saying positive things, they will help. They will change your life eventually. But it's life. You have to take those steps. You have to believe yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe that there is good in this world and inside of you. You just need to push some buttons to activate it. I'm not saying it out of thin air. I've been through a lot of things, and what I can say that mind is a powerful tool. And if your hands are moving, your legs are moving, be grateful every day. Universe is always seeing, listening, and if you're open, helping through people, through nature, through a lot of things, but you have to be open. So yeah, let's take another walk. Little bit. Okay, I'm not feeling like walking. I can show you this, and it is beautiful, right? Right. Okay. This time I'm saying to you bye-bye, and then hope to see you soon, another Sunday or after a week, in another beautiful place that I like to go. I really like to share these kind of things and show people that, especially for Latvians in Latvia, that in Latvia there are so much beautiful places, and I know a lot of them because I like to explore the nature around Latvia. and it is beautiful. And the energies, oof. If you're not locked up and feeling energies, you will feel this totally. So yeah, have a great day and see you on the next one.